Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into Aternos and opening the server panel. You need to act now. Make sure the server is fully stopped because live saves can corrupt your world. Once the stop completes, go to Worlds. Locate the download or backup button for the active world and check the world name so you don't grab the wrong file. Save time, verify free disk space on your device, and decide whether you'll store locally or upload to cloud storage before downloading. Once you click Download or Create Backup, select the correct world version. Aternos may keep multiple saves, so pick the latest or the labeled snapshot. Wait for the transfer to finish, and then verify integrity by checking file size or using a checksum tool. This prevents wasted restore attempts. After that, rename the archive with the server name and date for clarity, and immediately copy it to a second location such as external drive or cloud, so you have redundancy in case one copy fails. To restore, stop the server first, then use the world's upload or replace the world folder with your backed up archive. Once uploaded, start the server and confirm players can join. Make sure to keep an extra backup before restoring so you can revert if something breaks. If the world fails to load or chunks are missing, check mod and plugin versions and Minecraft version compatibility. Mismatches often cause corruption. If problems persist, re-upload the original backup and test on a local copy before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.